Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to have a look at the noun, verb, and prepositions in Arabic.
Here we have few examples of what is a noun, verb, and preposition in Arabic. Noun is called ism. Ism also means name. So we can relate noun and naming words. So it's the name of a thing, a person, a country, or the pronouns. The pronouns also I'll include as ism here. Verb is called fi'al in Arabic, all right? Fi'al means action, doing work. And preposition is called harful jar. Harful jar, which connects the noun with a verb or noun with a noun. So here, ism, we have few examples. Let me tell you the meaning of all of these. Huwa means he. Hiya means she. Kitab, book. Kitabun means a book. Okay, it is indefinite noun, a book. So it can be any book, a school, right? The next word is madrasa. Madrasatun is the right way to pronounce it because it means a school. When we want to be specific about, we are talking about a particular school, that time we will say al madrasa because al means the. So al, whenever al comes in front of the noun, that final un will be changed to u. So when we speak, we are going to say al madrasatu means the school. All right. So huwa, he, hiya, she, kitabun. Kitabun means a book. Madrasatun, a school. Manzilun, a house. Zaid, name of a boy. So that's a noun too. Sara, name of a girl. Okay. Verb, fi'al means to do something. The first example, ana aktub. Ana aktub means I, and aktub means to write. The root word here is kataba. Okay. If we want to address and say that he writes, that means we'll use this pronoun, right? Huwa. Huwa means he. Huwa, this aktub will change just the prefix, which means this a will be gone and ya will come in its place. It will become yaktub. So hiya is she. She writes means hiya. Instead of ya, it will be ta. So it will become taktub. Here, this alif will go and taktub. Now, next example. Huwa yakra'u. Huwa is he. Yakra'u means reads. So qara'u is the root word, which means to read. And when we add the prefix ya to it, it means some boy is reading or he is reading. So I can say Zaid yaqra'u means Zaid is reading. So katab means to write and qara means to read. If I want to change this into Sara, I will say Sara takra'u. This initial letter ya will go and ta will come in its place. Next example, hiya ta'akulu. So what do you mean by hiya ta'akulu? Hiya means she. Ta'akulu means to eat. Because it begins with ta, we understood that the subject who is doing the work can be she and also any name of a girl, Sarah, Fatima, whatever. Next example, nahnu. Nahnu means we. So we nadhhab. We go. This is all for present tense, okay? Present tense of the verb. Past tense and future tense we'll see in some other session. So we're talking about the present tense. If we want to say she goes, this same word nadhhab will change into tazhab because the pronoun, the word before this word tazhab will be hiya. Hiya tazhab. Let's move on to harf al-jar, the prepositions. Prepositions are words which connect two nouns or a noun and a verb. Fi means in, min means from, by the bus. Bil hafila means using or by the bus. Dakhil means inside, Ila means to, and ala means on. Just have a look at these words. Few are nouns and few are verbs. So the first word is Ishan. Ishan is the name of a boy. Next, Amila. Number two is Amila. Amila means to work. That's the root word. Mimhat means it's rubber or eraser. Kursi is the fourth word, which means chair. Kursi yunsi, that means a chair. Then qara, it's the root word for read. Yatanawal. Yatanawal means he eats because it begins with ya. If it was beginning with ta, that means she eats. Akal, it's the root word to eat as well. These both are synonyms. Okay, yatanawal, tanawal and akal are synonyms. So it will just you can just add any prefix according to the noun which is present before it, noun or pronoun. Zaid, name of a boy. Talib, talib means student. Dhahab means to go. So the next slide is having the answers. Okay, so Ishan is a noun, so ism. Amila is a verb, fi'l. Mimhat, eraser, noun, ism. Kursi is a noun as well because it's chair. Then we have qara'a. Qara'a means to read. Action word, fi'l. Then yatanawal means he eats. Okay, akal is the root word to eat. Zaid, ism, because it's a noun. Talib means student, so it's a noun as well. Then dhahab means to go, which is the action word fi'l. Thank you very much. Hope you've learned something new and beneficial, and see you again in the next video.